Is this how your welder works? This is what you have to do to fix it? Well, I have the real solution to this problem. In order to cure this symptom, the first thing we have to do is backfeed our wire. And we start by cutting off the wire at the tip of the gun. Next, you want to backfeed your wire by loosening your tensioner, raising your arm, and spinning your reel backwards, keeping a hold of your wire so it doesn't unspool on you when it finally does come to the end of the line. Take the end of your wire, put it through the hole on your spool, and bend it over so it retains itself. The next step is to extract the torch from the machine. Our first step in doing this is to release this red cap thumb screw by unscrewing it. And remove it all the way. The next step is to remove the torch from the machine all the way. You do not do this by grabbing the boot and pulling, but rather grab a hold of the torch cable itself, put your foot on the bottom of the unit, and pull. The reason why this is occurring is these two male trigger pins here are not making a good enough contact in their female counterparts on the machine. And I'll show you how to rectify that. On each trigger pin you'll notice a slot milled down the center. We put that there so that each can be adjusted accordingly. How you do this is you take a utility knife blade. That's the right thickness. You run down the center of each slot and expand them apart. But not too much because we don't want to break them off. Now you spread them apart. They should make a much better contact when you plug it back in. Take some emery cloth and just sand them down to get rid of any kind of arc marks that could be there from the intermittent contact previous. To ease reinstallation of the cable into the machine, moisten the O-rings with a little bit of water. Do not use any petroleum-based products such as WD-40 or anything like that. Line up your connectors. And reinstall. Now that you've reinstalled your gun cable into the machine from the front, go back into the wire drive area and reinstall your red cap thumb screw. And tighten all the way down and snug with your fingers and your thumb. Once it's back installed in the machine and the thumb screw is tightened down, you can reinstall your wire through your gun cable. Once your wire is fed through, reapply your tension to your roller. Continue feeding your wire. And when it's all complete and it's done properly, that symptom should go away. And you can put your bungee cord back in your toolbox.